again and welcome to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Today I just wanted to share to you how I prepared my grilled sea bream into the oven. Yeah, so this is my sea bream. Yesterday we've been to Asian supermarket and I bought a kilo of this, which is 2 pieces, and they are really big enough. Yeah, so it's like a kilo is 8 pounds, so in 2 pieces. So today I just wanted to cook this into the oven, which is in grilled. So first thing is that of course I will show you how to clean this. Yeah, so sea bream is a meaty and tasty kind of fish. Yeah, it is famous here in UK or Northern Ireland, UK. Yeah, so of course I need to take off the what is it, the gills and the fins and everything. Yeah, and inside later. Yeah, which are the stuff there inside before putting it into grilled oven. Okay, so this one I am cleaning it just like that. I love cleaning the fish, yeah, especially the whole one. Sometimes also we are buying whole salmon, and I can manage to cut it by slice, and my husband was amazed because I know how to clean it. I told to him because in our province, and of course I studied Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Yeah, so I know about fish, the parts and everything before I took my education units for me to be a teacher in secondary, so that's why. So that's it. You need to take off first the scale. Yeah, okay, and then after that I am taking off the for cutting the fins, something like that. So I am using a scissors for me to cut these fins. Yeah, so that it's not awkward to eat it, especially my husband don't like to see the parts of this. Yeah, and also this one. Yeah, and this one. And of course the fins here. Yeah, so you see it's clean already, no scale, smooth, and you see it's very safe already to touch here. Yeah, and after that I am cutting here in the tummy area for me to take off all the stuff there inside. Okay, so it's only simple. Yeah, something like that. And you see, take all those stuff there because I need to put later there tomato and onion. Yeah, so this one, take it off so that it's clean inside before I put it into grill. And of course, the gills. Yeah. You know, guys, my teacher said before that during our college days that you can really see if the fish is really fresh if the gills are red. Yeah, so if the gills are already not red, it means it's not fresh. Yeah, the fish, it's already frozen. But this one, guys, yesterday the gills are really red because I bought it fresh in the Asian shop. Yeah, because others are they are just putting it in the freezer, yeah, frozen, so it's not fresh already. You can see the gills is not. But this one, guys, yesterday, and it's still red, yeah. So it means the fish is really fresh, and it's really nice to eat fresh fish, which is really uh, if it's fresh, the meat is really tasty. And well, you see, it's clean already, yeah, inside. Yeah, and after that, guys, I am putting a slice of it here. Yeah, something like this. Just two, like that, slice, yes. Okay, and here as well. Okay, on the other side, yes. Okay, because later I'll put it with the ginger here, so that it looks, I mean, you know, I am always putting ginger if I am grilling it in the oven, so that it's not smelly, or I mean, uh, if it's, let's say in our language, like malansaya, something like that. Okay, so now the fish is clean, yeah, outside and inside. And now it's time for me to put some stuff a bit inside, and then I'm cooking, yeah, the fish, grilling, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's my second born asking what I am doing. Yeah, now, so it's time for me to marinate and put some stuff inside of it. Okay, let me show you how I do it. Okay, so please stay tuned, guys, and see you in a bit. Thank you. Hello, guys, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, guys, I have here some stuff for me to put inside of the fish, yeah. Okay, I have here already the sliced onion. I am putting it like this, yeah. Yeah, something like that. And of course, I will slice the tomato in small. I like this stuff when you put it inside the fish because it's very tasty po talaga siya. Yan. Something like that. And of course, I need to season it with salt. Yeah. The fish. And also at the side. Ayan. And then on the slice, or on the, what is it? I slice the fish right on this side. I am putting a ginger, yeah, so that smells good, or I mean the smell is not uh, awkward, or let's say hindi po siya malansa. Ayan. I learned that from my mom. Yeah, something like that. Insert in the portion where we make a slice, okay? Yeah, something like that. And on top po of this, I am putting as well like this. Yeah, ini-slice ko lang po siya like that, and I'm putting like this. Yeah. And also the onion. So it's really nice po. It's very simple only, and you know, very tasty. Yan, ini-slice ko lang po siya ng ganyan. Yeah, something like that. And of course, here is my what is it, tray with, I put already aluminum foil, and then I need to transfer the fish, yeah, something like that. And then I'm putting inside on the top of this or side. I like more onions and tomato of that, and also the spring onions I am putting as well. Like that po. Ayan. And later I will put this spring onion later on top, because so that it's not easy to burn. Yeah, I am just grilling it like 25 or 30 minutes. Yeah, it depends if it's already done, the fish, yeah. So, and then for the sauce, I am making a lemon. Yeah, I like lemon. And then soy sauce for my I mix them together. There, you ask your ate, please. Paula, please help your sister. Yeah, and I'm putting olive oil. Just a tablespoon. And the black pepper. And garlic powder. And a bit salt again. Yeah. Mixing it well, and then I'll put it on the fish already before putting it into the oven. Okay, so it's only simple, yeah, for the sauce. Okay, so I'm just putting like this po. Yeah, as you can see, here's my sauce, and then I will just pour it slowly. Yeah. Okay. So now it's time for me to put it in the oven. Like I told, what I have said, it's like 20 to 30 minutes. It depends po. Ayan. O, diba? how it looks, my sea bream, yeah. Okay, so I will show you after if it's done. Okay, so please stay tuned po, and thank you for watching once again, and see you a bit. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, guys, once again. And for now, the fish sea bream is already well done. It's like 30 minutes. I put it into 185 degrees centigrade temperature, yeah, and then it takes 30 minutes and it's well done. Okay, on top I put it with the fresh basil leaves, yeah. So as you see, this is very meaty and tasty, yeah. So this is just easy and simple recipe, yeah. So of course we are eating it with my family with rice, because it's good. My husband likes this in rice, yeah, not in potato, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed my video for today with regards to this, how to prepare the grilled sea bream into oven. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed. So if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget also to click the bell button below or next to the subscribe for you to be updated for my next video. Okay, so thank you once again, guys, and hope you enjoyed my preparation. And so it's time for me to say bye for now.